Hello everyone, welcome to new session. I am Ravi Kumar and today's session topic is computer storage. Every user want to store your data information because your storage data is used in future. Dear student, computer memory is basically divided in two parts. First one is primary and second is secondary. Primary memory is stayed or situated on inside your CPU, like the RAM, ROM is inside on your CPU. Secondary memory is connected to outside of your CPU, like hard disk, pen drive, and many more devices. It is secondary. Before the discuss about the all points, we discuss some special terms of memory: volatile and non-volatile. Volatile, that means when you use any program, any document currently frequently on your computer system, that time store your data. If current loss, the data is destroyed, that is called volatile. Non-volatile, that means not dependent on current, it store long time without any electric support. Okay, this is the special terms. Now after this uh, cache memory. Cache memory is situated on between primary and secondary. It stores your frequent document retrieve or input on your computer system, mainly used many times. This type of data is stored on cache memory. This is very fast as compared to primary. Now, dear student, we have discussed about all topics. Primary memory. Primary memory has two categories: RAM and ROM. RAM. RAM full form is random access memory. It's store your currently data. RAM also has divided in two parts: SRAM, DRAM. SRAM is a static RAM. It store a specific storage length. Dynamic RAM. Dynamic RAM store data dynamically changes according to your uses. Next one is ROM. ROM, read only memory. ROM is allow only read. You can't change on ROM. When you start your computer, that time some instruction show on your monitor. They are the example of ROM. ROM have some categories. PROM. PROM full form is programmable read only memory. That means you can change one time on ROM. That is called PROM. EPROM. Electronic programmable erasable programmable read only memory. That means you can erase more than one time on your ROM. EEPROM, electrical erasable programmable read only memory. With the use of alpha rays, you can erase or changes on your ROM. But dear student, ROM changes is very costly. Mainly changes on manufactured company. ठीक? Now next is secondary memory. Secondary memory is a very vast range. Secondary memory is connected to outside, also divided in four parts: magnetic tape, magnetic disk, optical disk, flash memory. First one is magnetic tape. Now show in your the diagram, this is the magnetic tape. It's a streak to store data, magnetic data on a circle. Between the over the circle, this is look like your previous year audio tape. Now after this, next topic is magnetic disk. Magnetic disk have use a small disk, so that is called magnetic disk, but mechanism is like that magnetic tape. So first one is FDD, floppy disk drive. Floppy disk drive is more comfortable as compared to magnetic tape, because floppy disk is store more data as compared to magnetic tape. This is the floppy disk. and also about the characteristic. Next one, and very important for the computer system, hard disk drive. This is the mainly, and look at on your screen, this is the hard disk. Hard disk is a combination of number of plates. This plates is divided on number of sectors. This sector store all data. Dear students, according to your use, you choose your hard disk capacity on your computer system. Hard disk is so in your computer, like my computer, you can give the name CDEF. Next is optical disk. Optical disk, that means a shiny face can store data, and I think you understand. Some points is here. CD. CD full form is compact disk. Look at this is the CD. CD is compact disk. This is the advanced and more light and shining surface. There store data. But this CD store only 700 MB data. So now show on your screen this disk. This is not a CD, dear students. This is DVD. It's a look like CD, but store data more than CD. CD store only 700 MB, but DVD store 4 GB data. So it's very useful as compared to CD. So when we use CD, just use one time, but DVD we can format and we can change the data, but change after changing 2 or 3 times DVD is damaged. So after this disadvantage, we come to the next BRD, Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a high quality optical disc. This is store more than data as compared to CD and DVD, and also allow to many maximum times of formatting. Formatting, that means change the data. Next is flash memory. This is modern era. We want to everything with on your pocket. Flash memory is very light and portable for storage devices like that. For example, pen drive. Everybody know pen drive. This is pen drive. This is very light and store is in the market. It's various types of in market. You can choose according to your choice. Second is memory chip. Every mobile have memory chip. This is very light and comfortable for the very light devices. So this session we learn about all types of memory storage or computer memories. Now on your screen show some important differences like that: primary memory and secondary memory, RAM, ROM, some important definition, volatile, non-volatile, and full forms. Dear students, I think you enjoy this session. Thank you.